All right, folks, today we're up in northern Wisconsin in my neck of the woods, and I'm gonna take Jason out on some deep, clear Wisconsin water, and we're gonna see if we can put some big walleyes in the boat. It's probably first week of July. We're looking at water temps 68 to 70 degrees. It's just starting to push these fish from shallow out onto the deeper edges. We're gonna look at some deep weed edges today. We're gonna probably swing some points, look at some deep flat points with some gravel on them, and then we'll probably start working our way to see if there's any fish holding yet in their early summer haunts on some of the deep boulders. These deep clear lakes are usually a little bit tougher of a day bite, so you gotta think that these fish are gonna be following the bait fish around and not necessarily feeding real heavy during the middle of the day. So we're gonna probably be going after these fish with a little bit of bait if they're negative, and then we're also going to be trying some glide baits and some jerk baits and some fluke style baits, trying to get a reaction bite. Clear, sunny, calm weather. Not always the easiest to catch them in, but it should be easy to find them today. We should be able to look around with the forward facing and find some good pods of fish, and then we'll see if we can make them bite today and see what happens.